Hey there. Have you ever opened Messenger only to find your messages have vanished? You're not alone. With over 1.3 billion users globally, Messenger issues happen to the best of us. In this video, we'll dive into why your messages disappear and how to fix it. One common reason for missing messages is accidental removal. Maybe you tapped the wrong button or included important messages while clearing out your inbox. To avoid this, always double-check before deleting anything. Instead of deleting, try archiving messages. It keeps your inbox tidy without losing important conversations. Speaking of which, accidental archiving is another reason for disappearing chats. Archiving moves chats to a hidden section but doesn't erase them. To find them, go to your profile picture in the app, select Archive Chats, and unarchive the ones you want back. Messenger's Disappearing Messages feature is another culprit. This feature automatically deletes messages after a set time. It's great for privacy, but can be confusing if you don't know it's on. It can be opened only in secret conversations. Check your chat settings for a timer icon. If it's active, you can adjust or turn it off in the chat settings. To recover lost messages, use Facebook's data download tool. Go to the menu, select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Choose your Facebook information and click Download your information. Select Messages, transfer to the device or a drive, create a file, and once it's ready, download and unzip it to access your chats. And there you have it. Understanding why your Messenger messages disappear and knowing how to recover them can save you a lot of frustration. If you found this video helpful, share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.